So hey guys, Samsung is working on a new chipset that can beat the performance of the Snapdragon 865. According to a report coming from a fairly reputable source, Samsung is working on revising the Exynos 990 chipset so it can be better match the Snapdragon 865, and the new version will be used in the Galaxy Note 20 family. If everything goes as scheduled, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Note 20 series in August with the Exynos 992 on board. This chipset is an improved version of the Exynos 990, likely based on Samsung's new 6nm manufacturing process. The Galaxy S20 series phones sold outside of South Korea, the US and China are powered by the Exynos 990, and they face user backlash when they were found to have increased power consumption compared to the Snapdragon version. This would also explain why we found the Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus to be running fairly warm under a limited load. Anyway, coming to the Exynos 992, it will also support improved architecture which would enable even better performance compared to the Snapdragon 865 and considerably lower power consumption. And perhaps this time, units sold in South Korea will be running the new Exynos 992. Another reason for the development of the Exynos 992 is the possibility of Qualcomm launching a Snapdragon 865 Plus variant. Then Samsung has to improve its Exynos 990 design so there won't be a bigger gap between the Exynos and the Snapdragon power version of the Galaxy Note 20 series. But there are some reports which suggest that there will be no Snapdragon 865 Plus variant this year due to the ongoing virus outbreak, which means the Galaxy Note 20, which will be powered by the Exynos 992, will be more powerful than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this situation, and I'll see you in my next video.